Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save TikTok sound and then use it on CapCut. So first, you can start by opening your TikTok apps and then find the sound that you want to save. So this, I'm going to click on the sound on this video and I'm going to add two favorites first. Click on add to favorites. So now the sound has been saved. Now you can just open your CapCut and you need to make sure that you log in to TikTok in the CapCut app. So click on login to TikTok, authorize it, and just wait until the login is successful. And now you can just open your project, any projects that you want. For example, I'm going to open this project right here. And after that, here I'm going to click on audio sound and find the TikTok sound that I saved before. So click on this TikTok icon and this is the TikTok sound that I saved before. If you want to just use it, you can download it first. Let's download this one and click on the plus icon, and that's it. You can use it now on your projects in CapCut. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.